Morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. I have a smile on my face because day 5 already. 5? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today will be day 5. And so far, I have been 100% on plan. And check this out. My daughter last night was at her friend's house. And her friend was on Optavia. And she calls me and says, "Hey, Mom, are you back on Optavia?" And I said, yes. And she said, Chelsea no longer wants her box of Optavia. It's brand new. She doesn't want to do the program. It's been sitting in her apartment. I'm like, how much is she selling it for? So not only now do I have another 2.5 weeks from my person in my family that didn't want it, I have 22 boxes of fuelings on my dining room table now that I have to put away. Brittany brought it home last night. Completely blessed, completely blessed. I can't believe the kindness. Also want to say a special thank you. I don't know if the person wants to be noted on film, but one of you, subscriber, watched my Walmart video and I guess has a really big heart and sent me a Walmart gift card online to my email so that I could either buy, she said to go buy those shoes that I wanted in the video, the hat. I may need some, other things, food, what have you. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, that was a total surprise. Completely blown away by it. So today, Jess has the day off. We have plans. Ready for this one? We're going to my office, the job that I was just let go from, to clean out my belongings, my bookcases, my chair, my coffee station, all of that. So we have the truck ready to go. Right now it's a little after 7. Brittany started her new job today in a assisted living facility, so I'm so happy for her. There's just a lot going on. Oh my God. So I'm going to make my coffee with the Optavia hot chocolate in it as fueling number 1. And Jess and I are going to take you through the day with us. You'll see what I'm eating. You'll see if we go anywhere. The plan is to perhaps go to the gym this afternoon and do some light exercise, right? Because I don't want to get too hungry and then ruin all the progress that I've been making this week. Don't want to do that. Lots of good stuff coming. So let's start the day. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day, right? The hump in the middle of the week. I think this weekend is daylight savings time. Can we not do this anymore? Can we just turn the clocks ahead and leave it that way? Someone out there who has say, please? Let's make some coffee. Cheers. First sip. That first sip. Let's make today a good day. Day number 5 on Optavia, 5 and 1. All right, we're about to leave the house. Just cleaned out my truck. It's cold. Freezing. Gonna do the chocolate mint cookie crisp. It's about 3 hours later, so I'm at the max of time before you start to get hungry again. So I'm going to have this mint chip bar. We are going to head out to my office, load up my truck. And we have Jess's truck. And then we'll come back, unload. Then I have to go to my other office and pick up my last paycheck. Here we go. All right, office is cleaned out. Drizzled berry crunch bar going down. Boy, it's lean and green time. In this plate, I have 7 ounces of 99% lean ground turkey cooked, which is equivalent to 1 leanest. I have 1 serving of steamed broccoli, and I have 2 servings of cauliflower rice. So those are my veggies. And then I have 2 tablespoons, 2 condiments worth of soy sauce, the low sodium version, because I don't know why, but I'm craving it lately. This is the broccoli that I used in the microwave, and this is the leftover ground turkey from cooking 1 pound of it. But yeah, I'm craving it. I don't know why. Maybe I need some added salt, what have you, but you can do it when you're on the 5-in-1. All right, it's time for the last fueling. It's the hot chocolate in a cup of decaf hazelnut. It's been a long day, you guys. Jess and I are wiped out. He's next to me eating pizza. I'm sitting here having my fueling. We've got the cat in between us. The dogs are asleep. Brittany's first day at work went amazing. Do you want to say hi?
An exhausted good evening, all.
Anyway, that's the day. I did miss fueling number... What fueling did I forget to record today? I don't even remember. It was a long day, guys. And tomorrow will be a better video, I promise. But I just wanted to show you what I was eating today. It was bars, a lean and green, and 2 cups of hot chocolate. Like, you can do this because it's so simple. It's easy. No thought process behind it. You can make your lean and greens. You can split them up and keep them in the fridge. You can put them in the freezer. You can make something as simple as I've done, a can of tuna with some salad. I mean, like, this is so easy. There's no rhyme or reason why any of us can't stick to it. So, day 5, completely on program. Hallelujah. Cheers. I'm happy. I'm excited, and even more happy to sit down with you tomorrow and do a nursing video with you talking about something related to Optavia and the program and weight loss, the way I used to sit down with you and talk like nurse to person out in YouTube land. So I'm excited for that video tomorrow. I hope you stick around, and I'll see you in the next video. And like I always say, you want to say it with me? We can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together. Me and you.
You and me.
2023.
It's the year for we.
It's our year, and we are making it happen. I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great night.